Python 01, radio check. Lima Charlie, we are at flight level 220, about 1.5 miles east of Ross Toxic. Request entry to Ross Toxic and ready situation update. One, just want to confirm we're cleared into Ross at flight level 220. Copy, Python 01. Python 01, say when ready, gas check-in. VENOM-ONE-THREE, this is Python 01, our mission number is 5331. We are 1 by MQ-9. Position is in Ross Toxic right now at flight level 220. We have 4 by Hellfires, PRF code 1122, 1 by GD12, PRF code 154. Sensor capabilities, we have NTSB targeting pod with laser and IR marking. TLE is Cap 4. VDL is available on. Request abort code in the clear. No remarks, lost link routing. We have a 120-minute loiter over Lake Oneida. Flying back through the re-procedures all the way up to Fort Drum at flight level 220. VENOM-ONE-THREE, code is 5425. We are ready, mission update in April, and we have your route updated here on Cabot, Python 01. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, we have contact on these safe house grids. Python 01, ready for staffing. Python 01, can you go back starting at target elevation? 76 feet, target location 18 Tango Victor November 06573-88282. Friendly southeast at 1K. All final attack headings, pushman ready, calling for clearance. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01 from the system, 18 Tango Victor November 06573-88282, 376 feet. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Reaper 01 in heading 258. We are visual friendly position, Python 01. 10 minutes for the scan, looking for a 60-degree look angle, 500 meters field of view, looking for arm packs, 4 or more, we'll report those immediately. Python 01. We're done with our roll-up. We did not see any armed packs with a group of 4 or more in or around the compound within a 500-meter area from the safe house. Python 01, ready 9 line. Ready remarks restrictions, Python 01. To get more information along the scanner route. Target elevation is per our sensor. Target location is per our tally. No friendlies. As of right now, we'll update that as needed. Remarks restrictions, all final attack headings are cleared. Call in for clearance on final Reaper 0 or Python 01. Meters off the side of the road throughout the route, looking for IED vehicles. They look like vehicles on the side with backs open. A couple packs known around it, and any road blockages, Python 01. Just to confirm, is it 15 meters off the road or 50 meters off the road, Python 01? I'll give us 15 minutes for this roll-up, Python 01. Fiber side right now. Python 01, looks like they're 830 meters to the southeast of the safe house. Southeast. Redex. Starting with target elevation, we have 380 feet. Target location, 18 Tango Victor November 081. In missile heading 231. Python 01, good weapons effects on car with 1 by Hellfire. We do have a roll-up from the route scan. Stand by. Developments on the roll-up, so I'll give you these and I'll break after each one, just make sure we got them all. There was one trunk, or car with the trunk open. Actually, sorry, correction, there's a box by the side of the road on the southern side, about 1.5 kilometers. Control point 2, there's a rear-facing vehicle on the east side of the road, break. About 157 meters southeast of control point 3, there's a guardhouse in the middle of the road on your route plan, break. House in the middle of the road, there's a potential ambush site east side of the road behind a bunch of trees, break. And that is the conclusion of our roll-up, Python 01. Confirm you want us on doing a defensive scan on you guys, looking 300 meters out in front of the convoy, looking for any immediate threats and reporting to stock if we see any. Looking simulated 6 by vehicles of 21 packs, real life looking for 1 by red SUV. Can you repeat that? I stepped on the other Python 01. There's a box on the side of the road up to your right. You just passed it. Python. Nate Tango Victor November 197865. Friendlies northwest 90 meters. Danger close. Initial CAS. Running heading 090 plus or minus 30 reciprocal. PLA east 75 meters. And take it, we're masked by trees right now, or we can come in from missile heading of 060 if that works for you. That's plus to the south at 70 meters away, or to the field across to the south, not the parking lot. Copy Python 01. Python in missile heading 053. 01. Time of flight 22 seconds. VENOM-ONE-THREE, good abort in the field towards the south of our aim point. Do we get the same restrictions of 090 plus minus 30 or the reciprocal? 01 in missile heading 251. Fire on guardhouse. November 090855. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01. We are tally red SUV with militia markings on the side. Target location, Python 01. Marks restrictions. Target location 18 Tango November 090855. Correction 18 Tango Victor November 090855. The friendlies northeast. 1.2. Python 01, copy all. Listening here real quick. 5. Flash. Looks like good weapons effects. 1 by Hellfire on MT. Copy. Getting eyes back on Python 01. You have 1 GBU-12 remaining. Python 01. There's 30 buildings. 3 Python 01. With Hog 15 for Buddy Ways. Python 01. 01. Say again. Target location and location of friendlies. Target elevation 371 feet. Location 18 Tango Victor November 100863. Friendlies northwest 400 meters. We'll bring back to the safe house. Approved all contact headings. We'll sort out targets between myself and Hog. Engaging window 16150 to 163. This is Python 01. We are currently west about 6 miles from building 33 pushing north right now. Hog, we are going to push back down to the west. If you want to hang out to the south, we're going to have you building 33 first with your GBU on Buddy Ways. 1776, ready for coordination brief when you are. You holding off to the west. I want you to hold off from the south, ingress from the south and egress to the east. I'm going to be the laser, you're going to be the shooter. 1 by GBU-12, code 1776. I will give normal timing calls of 1 minute to 10 seconds and then 10 seconds for laser on. Any questions for that? Copy all. Python. Turns 1776. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, commencing engagement. Looks like good DDA on building 231 by GBU-12. 01. And we're going to terminate Python 01. Appreciate the help. Do you have any debrief points for me today? That's, like you said, one thing I didn't really know. Make sure that we approve your PLA in case you make any changes for that. So I appreciate that. It's a good debrief point. Thank you. Python out. 01. And VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01. We're with you at flight level 220. We're on the east side of the RAS here. We can kick outside of it for the scenario. If not, I prefer just to stay right here in this loiter. That's correct. Have you 22 Alpha. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01. We will be entering the RAS on the north side, flight level 220. Rover code is 5280. Python 01, we are established inside the RAS, flight level 220. Python 01 is ready, 9 line. 07818 Tango, Victor November 07986-84835. To the north, and that was not my system. Just want to confirm those target coordinates were 18 Tango, Victor November 07986-84835. And looking under our crosshairs here, we have a two-story, what looks like a house butted up against a golf course. Is that our target building? And VENOM-ONE-THREE from my system, I have 18 Tango, Victor November 07986-84835. Target elevation is 378. Are we good with CDE as we have an LOC running north to south along this building? Python 01, splash. Looks like good weapons effects on the cache. 01 copies. The open just north of the safe house, doing some construction along the side of the road. Python 01. 13, Python 01. We have a roll up. That was all we found with those 4 packs in the open just north of you guys doing some construction on the road. One's ready to copy. 13, Python 01. We will route scan from the safe house out to our target building. 10 minutes. We're looking for any stopped vehicles or disturbed earth along this route. Get back to you in 10. Python 01. We have one red SUV on the north side of our route. One adult male, all doors open. Looks like he's got some construction equipment out the back. Python 01. Ready to remarks restrictions. VENOM-ONE-THREE, elevation at 375, we are tally target. Friendlies are west 1,000 meters, and we approved all final attack headings. 3, Python 01, the target vehicle is now heading north back to the safe house. Python 01. In with a missile heading of 297. Splash. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01. The vehicle is stopped about 200 meters south of the safe house. Looks like good weapons effects. 3, Python 01, A firm on the scan of the entire route. As a choke point, and then we also have checkpoint building 10. But other than that, nothing significant to report. Python 01. 5 vehicles in the area, and then it looks to be 2 packs in the open walking north away from the compound. VENOM-ONE-THREE, we are contact on the enemy guard shack. Ready, 9 line. It'll be a northeast to southwest, 1 by Hellfire. Friendlies are northwest 100 meters. The Alpha Sierra, Python 01. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, in with a missile heading of 211. Splash. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, in with a missile heading of 248. Rifle time of flight 30 seconds. Good weapons effects. Python 01 copies. You got Hoggiv checking in at 14 to 16 Alpha Bravo 5. 12 and 1 Hellfire. Python 01, send it. 09086, looking for a red SUV near a green roofed 1-story building. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, we are ready that game plan 9 line. 3, we are tally target. Friendlies are northwest 1,000 meters, and we approved all final attack headings. So Victor November 0908555. Python 01, just want to confirm we have Hog holding northwest Alpha Bravo 5, and they're blocked 1 forward of 16. VENOM-ONE-THREE, Python 01, in with a missile heading of 266. VENOM-ONE-THREE, splash. Looks like good weapons effects. Go for Python. Alpha Bravo, 4 out, flight level 220. CRF 1511, 1 GBU 12. We're pushing to the north now. Expect standard laser calls. Python 01. 01, we are set capture. PRF is 1511. Laser around 1511. Python 01, off and safe.